family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a older fragrance that I wanted to do a single review on. I have a little bit of a story. It's a short one. It's not long. Of how I came to this fragrance. But if you are interested in learning about Candy, Thomas Komala, just keep watching. I have some thoughts. So you all know how we do around here. Versatility. Is this fragrance versatile? I don't think this fragrance is versatile as far as like event. I also don't think this fragrance is versatile as far as like seasonality, okay? So let's get into the occasion that I think you would wear this fragrance. I feel like this is definitely a good fun fragrance. So if you were going to like a casual date or some event with your girlfriend, right? Again, laid back. So like a laid back dinner, nothing fancy. If you were doing something like that, I'm not sure about a picnic in a park, but something outdoorsy. I could see you wearing this. I also could see you wearing this cleaning the house. Okay, we'll get more into it, but I can see you also doing that. What else? Quick grab and go, maybe a good outing, possibly an easy reach if you're into this type of fragrance. Yeah, stuff like that. So again, very playful, not too serious of a fragrance. You might be able to get away with it at work depending on where you work. You may be able to get away with it, but if you're like a nurse or anything, girl, no. Doctor's office, dentist's office, no. But if you're a teacher, I could see you wearing this, and maybe the kids would even like it. Packaging. Now, I enjoy the packaging. Now, it's a very solid cap. So I do appreciate a solid cap. I feel like you could, if you wanted to, travel with this where the cap is not just going to roll around or fall out or something like that. It's very snug, and I appreciate it. Now, I wouldn't call this a magnetic top. It's not giving me that, but it's definitely a good cap and it's snug. The wording, the candy wording on this is fun. So again, it just goes with the aesthetics of this fragrance, but I love the packaging. It almost gives me like this graffiti type of look. It's A1 to me, so I don't mind the packaging. I think it's fun. Now, this fragrance can cost you upwards of $235.
Wait, that's not good news at all.
Yeah, you heard me right. $235. However, I have seen this on THOMAS shop for around $100, like 98, something like that dollars. So I feel like you can get a really good deal and not have to pay that full price of $235. But if you are into paying the full price, $235 is what you're gonna pay. Plus tax. Plus. Now, does this fragrance lean more masculine or feminine? I feel like this definitely gives you feminine, flirty, fun type of vibes. But if you are a male and you like that scent profile, it's for you too. But definitely it gives me more feminine, fun, candy-like vibes. Now, this was launched back in 2023, so it's not a new fragrance, but let's get into the notes, shall we? Yeah, let's. Top notes, we have red fruits, cherry. Middle notes, we have raspberry bloom. We have tiara flower. Base notes, we have cotton candy, vanilla, and caramel. Well, that's the notes, fam. So if you're interested, here are my full real thoughts after all those details are out the way. Well, fam, do I like this fragrance? Love this fragrance? Don't like this fragrance? I absolutely love this fragrance, but not outside. Yeah, not in this hot heat, no go. But a good inside, absolutely. Probably fall season, winter season, this is going to be absolutely amazing. And Gourmand Girlies, Please Stand Up is going to be right up your alley. But I feel like we need a little bit of a breeze, a little winds, a little falls, a little, leaves falling down, colors, all the things. Like in this summer, sticky hotness, no. This is too sweet, in my opinion. But I was cleaning, deep cleaning my house, and I did not want to smell like bleach and cleaning products. I wanted to put on a fragrance that was going to be fun. I was doing something that I can't say that like cleaning for me is fun. Cleaning for people out there, they love that, right? They love cleaning. They love organizing. It's the thing that just zens them. There's nothing about cleaning that zens me, but do I have to do it and get it done? Absolutely, because I'm not staying in a dirty home. Like, that's just not it. So we got to do what we got to do. So I wanted to wear something very fun, very free, very uplifting, and definitely gourmand. Obnoxiously gourmand, because I knew that like outside, I'm not wearing that. I'm wearing fresh, I'm wearing citrus, I'm not wearing your thick gourmands outside. It's just not happening. Have not been feeling it. But I wanted to definitely do that. And so I was like, what have I not worn in a while? And I spotted Candy from THOMAS KOSMALA, and I was like, yes, let's put this on. And it was perfection, If I had a Netflix and chill, if I was cuddling up with my boo, it would have been perfect, It was absolutely one of those gourmands that I knew he would be in my neck. This is a necker, If you want your man or whoever, if you want them in your neck, this is a necker, And so I really enjoyed I smelled cleaning products still, but I smelled so yummy. While cleaning and smelling cleaning products. It was good. Amazing. Perfect. Perfection. So for me, now did this last long? It actually did, because I doused myself with this. Obnoxiously doused myself. But if I were not to overspray, I'm not sure this will leave a scent trail. But if you were in my bubble, I feel like you would be able to smell this fragrance, right? I feel like if you were like around me or hugged me, you would be able to smell this fragrance. Outside of that, I don't think so. But again, I did not I've worn this fragrance before, but I did not get to test it outside and see if I didn't have time. I didn't want the bees to come. No. I'm just not doing it. I'm in my head, just not doing it. So I will have to test it outside to see if I get compliments. Just not yet. But I will maybe come back and kind of do a re-up in the fall or winter to see if I get any compliments in actually overspraying. I want to obnoxiously overspray this fragrance to see if I get that good old scent trail. In the house, however, it was a scent trail. I did smell myself. After, I would say, it's about 5-6 hours or something like that, it just was close to skin, but I still smelled myself. So again, a great fragrance. Gourmand girlies, if you do not have this, you need it. You need it, sis. Okay. If you like a good caramel, now if you don't like caramel, don't get it, girl. But if you don't mind caramel and cotton candy and all the things and berries and fruit, if you don't mind that type of scent profile, go ahead and get it. It's a winner. So good. So good. If you have it in your luxury stores or something like that, get your nose on it, okay? Or if you can get like a travel size or a tester of this, get your nose on it, see what you feel. Like, I even feel like if you're doing something casual, I feel like you can even wear this like on a birthday. Like, I feel like this is a good birthday scent too. It's very fun. But if you're going like somewhere fancy, try something else. But definitely a good casual, fun type of thing, party, celebration. This is a great fragrance to choose. All right. So that is my full thoughts on this fragrance. What are your thoughts? Do you have candy in your collection? If you do, I would love to know what you think. Do you get the same vibes as me, or am I like on the opposite side of what you think about this fragrance? Is it too much for you? I want to know that too. So comment down below. Let's chat it up, okay? Well, fam, until next time, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.